creating content was not in my plan to create and be reached out by so many people. I was just documenting my life, documenting things that I just love to do around the house, or if I'm at work, or just the little memories that I can leave for my son, so when he gets older and I am able to see my grandkids and see whatever God has planned and whatever God grace shines on him, I wanted him to have these memories of me. I wanted him to have these memories of us together. The things that I do for YouTube and creating, I love doing. I love editing. I love just the hustle and bustle of trying to find a routine and incorporating this type of power. This is power. This is your niche. This is your power. This is what God blessed you with. Y'all, I see a lot that I can clean today. So I got up and got dressed, took my motis, made a little cup of tea, and now we are about to clean, okay, and move some furniture around in the house. I wonder where I will move. This is going to be a 2-day series, so I hope you guys are ready to clean. If you do not have that motivation to get up and get yourself together so that you can clean your house, there may be something in the garage you wanted to tackle, something under the cabinets in the kitchen that you want to tackle, the pantry closet, your laundry closet. I do have a cabinet pantry and cabinets that always get cluttered that I know I need to minimize things out of there. So for the next 2 days, I'm challenging you guys, my sis, my brothers, get up, get up, I look like a hot mess. I'm going through some things here, abscess on my teeth, but guess what, sis and bro? I still got up. I still look a hot mess, but that's okay. I'm still up. I'm still cleaning. I'm doing what I need to do to keep my house afloat and fresh and minimal, you guys. So at the end of the day, we definitely want our houses to stay afloat. We definitely want our houses to stay fresh, because you just never know who's going to show up at your door. Like family, some friends just pop up. You just never know who's going to come. Hell, I might come. But anyways, you want to be ready. Babe, really? He needed a quick dry, so that was the quick dry method for us. But anyways, I decided to get up and get myself together, and we ain't getting depressed here. We ain't getting stressed here. We ain't getting emotional. None of that. Let's take all those feelings that we've been having and put it into our cleaning. This is a minimal cleaning channel, okay? This is a minimal channel, okay? Andrea's keeping it minimal. That's exactly what we're going to do. So day one, we're basically refreshing the bed. I got all the bed covers and stuff off of the bed. Don't worry about that area right there because it's clean, but I have like spray and tons of things on there. Babe side, it looks decent. Like I can't, y'all, I got sponsorships back there that I need to get together, get with the program, okay? But with the bed, we definitely need to get with the bed, okay? Not get in the bed, but get the bed refreshed and get it back comfortable, because if you don't change your linens, if you don't refresh your bed, sis, what are you doing? What are we sleeping on? So anyways, what you'll need is basically, because I've already done mine before I even came on camera, because look, I'm gonna tell you what you need. Get yourself some baking powder or baking soda, either one, it'll work just fine. Get yourself some let me just share with you guys. Dollar Tree, $1.25 tree. Save yourself some money. We all on a minimal budget here. So I bought some of this Wizard Magic, a fresh carpet and room deodorizer baking soda. You can definitely use this too as well if you wanted to put on your bed. I look like I know, yes, sis. This thing right here, it's just, yeah, it's there for a reason. I got a wig sponsorship coming up, so we about to get it braided up and laid in whatever else we need to get done. But anyways, you could definitely put that on your bed. Just let it sit for a while. My favorite scents for the bed now, refreshers or the Unstoppable Touch Paradise fabric spray. That's what we use it. And then also from Walmart, they do have their own fabric spray as well. And the one I love is the Hawaiian Odor Eliminator. Okay, so those two are my favorite. If you have one of your favorite, definitely use it on the bed. I use it on our, this right here, this part right here. Don't think nobody peed all in it or it because it's yellow. That's the normal color of it. We have a pullover cover that goes over it. And so I definitely went in and refreshed this part with baking soda, and then with our favorite room fabric spray. And it smells really good. You do definitely want to flip over your mattress once or twice a month, so that your mattress won't be like, you know, lumpy. You might think, oh dang, it's lumpy, dang, it's time for a new bed. No. Sometimes the springs, when you have it so long on one side of the bed, the springs can start to pop out. It's definitely not time to buy a new bed. It's definitely time to turn over your bed, rotate your bed, clean your bed here as well. Your bottom bed, I don't know what they call it, box bed. That's what it's called, box bed. And if you have one of these, like I have like a memory foam. It's a memory foam, just a simple memory foam, and it feels really good when you spruce it up, freshen it, and make it the way that you bought it from the store. And so yeah, I did get a lot of ideas from the store as well. If you are looking for memory foam beds, definitely check out Sam's, because Sam's have the memory foam beds on sale too as well. When I get one, I want to get another one, the same one, and put it on top of here. They feel so good. And literally, if you have a mate, or you have your bae, your boo, whatever, and they twist and turn while they sleep, you definitely can't feel them. So that's why I like this. Okay, so we got our sheets off. We got our the cover for our memory foam. We got our sheets. We got our throw-on cover to keep us warm in the washer and dryer. Now in the washer, I already washed it, because definitely we're not going to be wasting time on that. So let me just share what I use on the washing process. I just use some Arm & Hammer OxiClean powder, or the little pods, and then I use the OxiClean powder to strip all the gunk, the germs, all that stuff. If you keep the cover on your bed and you do not take the cover off and wash, what is wrong with you? I'm sorry, but yes, I pointed. What is wrong with you? Do you know that your cover has millions, tons of germs and odor that's building up in your covers? And I really hope that you guys are not like that. But I highly doubt that you are like that, because all my sis, y'all, look, y'all stay snatched. Y'all have to stay fresh. I already know this. But for the ones that don't know how to get it right, let me share with you. If you have a mate or partner that you are sexually we're adults here. I hope that we are all adults. If you're not an adult and you're under 18, you got to go. But we are all adults here. If you have a mate or a partner, babe, boo thing, sideline, whatever, and y'all having sexual intercourses on y'all bed, whatever that you do on your bed, and you don't wash, it can add up those germs, all that bacteria, all the sweat, all the wetness, all that slobberer, all that can add up on your bed covers. And I definitely don't want to lay in nobody's bed if it ain't mine. I like, you know what I'm saying? Oh, my mom is like 1,000% clean. My mom has a cleaning disorder, okay? So, anyways, but I'm just saying, if y'all went and spending all y'all friend house or something, or y'all cousin house, or whoever house, and y'all didn't know about the bed situation, you just never know. Just never know. But for those who don't know, for those who do know, y'all know. But for the ones that don't know, we need to teach y'all some things. You need to strip your bed twice a month. I say twice to 3 times a month. Strip your bed, because you wouldn't imagine what you find in your bed, and especially when you're doing the baking soda method. This memory foam bed is the best thing that I can put my money into and invest. It was a little bit pricey, but it was very worth it. Me and Babe love this memory foam. We did purchase this at Sam's, and this has been like the best thing that we've slept on. I'd rather have this than a big bed. I'm so minimal, y'all. And then he walks in the middle of it. Hey. I hope Ashton didn't see that part. I'm coming. If you have a husband or a bae, boo thing, whatever, and y'all are together, well, not if you're boo thing, so this ain't for you. And y'all are together, been together for years, months. You definitely have a routine. Me and Babe have a routine. When he goes to work, I need to be downstairs and to give him a kiss, a hug, and just share my love with him. Let him know that, I miss him, and I'm going to miss him as he exits to go to work. And I also pray for him, and that's just the thing that we do. We just kind of, get cozy, before he go to work. But that's our routine, and Babe will tell y'all. She knows the routine. So on this part, I literally wanted to jump in this bed as I was pushing out that cover just to get it on the other side. I am a big kid at heart, but I know how to be serious. But when my kid side come through, I literally want to just jump right under that cover and just waddle and cuddle and all in that cover, but Babe's not here, so. If y'all were wondering, do I have a, bed cleaning routine or some sort? I definitely do, but it fluctuates. I definitely change it up a lot. My new routine is basically cleaning all bedding and bath towels and face towels and dish towels and drying dish towels on Mondays and Thursdays, because it's very easy for me to do. And then I also do 2 times out the month. I deep clean the bed and tear it all up and keep it, fresh. So you know what I'm going to say. If you're still laying there and you haven't found that motivation to get up, it is okay. It is okay. But at some point today, get up and find your power. Get up and make it happen. Your power is to clean. Your power is to get your house together. We got our bed nice, fresh, and tidy, and now it feels so amazing. Like, it feels so soft, you guys. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Yes, she went and read that messed up, because girl, I was looking a hot mess. I was just going back on my editing, and boy, she was looking rough. But anyways, you guys, thanks for watching. And if you are a newbie to Andrea Keeping It Minimal, definitely go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up. As always, turn on all post notifications so when I do upload, you guys, y'all get all my notifications and when I upload. Next up, we're doing a sponsorship, so I'm really excited about that. But I really wanted to just touch bases on you on the minimal cleaning side of cleaning your bed and keeping it refreshed. And I do this 2 times out the week, so as far as washing and all that good stuff, and it has really changed my life. But before all you guys out there that don't do it, I'm just gonna have to get up and walk on that one, because sis, if I have to come into y'all house and show y'all how to do this. I know you my sister and brothers, but if I gotta come in y'all house and clean, I'ma charge you. I gotta go. Bye.